Hi guys, it's Chef Jamie here. Come and check out our beautiful chicken burrito salad bowl. It's super healthy, delicious, nutritious, gluten-free, okay? Steamed, very limited fat in there. Such a good dish to try. Come and give it a go. Happy Mother's Day and also happy Cinco de Mayo. Obviously what we're going to be doing today is going to be showing you a dish in homage to Cinco de Mayo. We're going to be doing a chicken burrito salad bowl, actually, because you might notice over the last few weeks and months we're incorporating a lot more healthier recipes, I would say, into our content, and this dish in particular is a gluten-free dish, which can be absolutely perfect. We are going to start the actual cooking. I'm going to show you how quick and easy. Okay, so we're just going to start. Now, what I've actually done, okay, I've just in preparation, I've prepared, okay, some of the ingredients, and obviously for you, we've sliced the pepper, okay. We've also added our lovely Cajun spice onto our chicken breast as well. Again, it all mentions you how to do it inside our guided cooking. Just for the benefit of this demonstration, we've kind of pre-marinated. And actually, I think from my perspective, I think if you do allow it to marinate for 20 minutes to half an hour before you actually cook the chicken, you're going to incorporate some lovely more flavor inside our bowl. So what we have here is we have our rice. Now we're going to be cooking our rice inside our simmering basket, okay? And it's going to allow it to kind of steam nice and gently. And now we're going to attach. Okay guys, so what I've done in advance, I've attached the steaming set to the bowl. This is going to stop cross-contamination from the chicken actually going all over the board. So what we are going to do is we're going to lay our vegetables in our shallow steaming tray. So we have some sweet corn, black beans. You can use any kind of beans, really, pinto beans. You could use kidney beans or anything like that. And then some of our sliced pepper, like so. Okay. And then in our deep steaming tray, we are going to add our chicken. We're going to lay our chicken into our deep steaming tray, like so. Now, if you've got some Cajun spice left, okay, after you've marinated the chicken, what we're going to do, I'm going to sprinkle the excess over the top. The reason why we're doing this is because any excess flavor is going to drip down inside the bowl and kind of help season and flavor your rice. We're going to insert our shallow steaming tray, put our lid on, and then we're going to start. Okay guys, so look, our chicken and rice has been steaming nicely for probably the last 28 minutes, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just create the garnish for the top of our salad bowl as it's actually cooking. Now we're gonna serve avocado. With the avocado, be obviously very careful. You're gonna slice it in half lengthways, and then you're just gonna pull it open like so. Then you're gonna get a spoon and try and stay as tight to the skin as possible, and then we're just going to scoop it out. We've got some garnish just with some cilantro that we've already washed, okay, and again you can use scallions or green onions as garnish on this recipe. And then the most important bit is the lime, squeezing the fresh lime over that rice and chicken once it's finished, because the Cajun spice, okay, can sometimes be quite hot. If you have some nice lime here, okay, it will go really well. Now these are the little kaffir limes, but obviously we can use your standard limes. Now our dish is now cooked, okay, so and then we're just going to have a look. Just be a little bit careful. It is slightly hot and warm. As you see all that steam coming out, I've just got myself another little plate here just to catch any juices. The rice is cooked beautifully. It's really doubled or tripled in size, and you see it's kind of got a slight tint of redness to it. Now that's from that spice that was running through the chicken, okay, and all the liquid has evaporated, okay, and then that rice is ready to go. We're going to get some of our rice, okay. It really is beautiful. It's cooked amazing, okay. And now what's left to do is we're just going to build up all of our other ingredients, okay, which again, just be a little bit careful. They're kind of slightly hot, okay. is we're just gonna kind of sort of lay it out here. Okay, then, you know, then our beans can go. So make sure we save at least half of the bowl, okay, for the chicken. And again, you know, you could try any of our sauces. Chimichurri sauce, drizzle over the top of this. Is we're just gonna slice it, okay, super thin. Okay, we're just gonna lay the chicken on there. Okay, then we've got our avocado. Gonna push it down. Get a nice portion of cilantro, a little squeeze of lemon juice or lime juice. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.